Hey guys, I want to talk to you about this brand new mini ergonomic keyboard that I got. I love the size of this thing. I love that it's so portable, but it also gives you a lot of wrist support, and it allows me to get work done a little bit faster. And again, taking care of my ergonomic needs. I think it's super cool. I'm going to bring you guys in close. We're going to talk about all the fun details on this thing, from a leather wrist support. It's got four separate feet, so you can tilt it up or tilt it down. And again, really small, really compact. It's about 36% smaller than a full-size standard keyboard, because I don't do a lot of the number pad stuff, and then makes it kind of a waste of space for me. I like things to be a little bit smaller, more compact. I think it's really cool. It doesn't matter if you use a Mac or PC. It's compatible with all kinds of different operating systems. You can seamlessly switch between three different devices. You could do Bluetooth. It does come with a USB dongle as well, making it really easy to kind of switch between your devices and taking this wherever you need it to go. It's super light, super compact, really thin, and I will show you guys also how to charge it. Charges with USB to USB-C. Great battery life. So a lot of really cool features, a lot of great things on here. Let's take a closer look, and I'll show you guys all of the neat things about this keyboard. So here's our keyboard. Let's start on the back, because like I said, you've got four different kind of like support feet. I'm a person that like the wrists like this instead of down, so we're going to go ahead and leave these up. You do have your on switch here in the back, and I'll show you guys the corresponding lights. Right there is your USB-C with the provided cable. Go ahead and charge it up. If you're not going to use Bluetooth and you want to go ahead and use a USB dongle, it comes with this really great little kind of like hideaway place. You can go ahead and plug this in to your computer, and then it takes away from the pairing aspect of it, which can be really helpful. And then this just goes back in here. One of the cool things about this is that this is a magnet, so you don't have to worry about like losing this, because it stays really tucked in there nice. Go ahead and slide this back on, snap it down, and it stays pretty snug in there. Great. Let's go ahead and turn this on now. Flip this over, and you can see there that we have the pairing lights, and it kind of shows you which device you're using, and you can go ahead and switch through those with these buttons up here. These are the Bluetooth symbols, and when you hit them, it corresponds to the device that you have these paired to. But again, really simple to use. Here is that kind of like leather palm rest here, which is really great. It's a curved hand rest with a leather surface that extends, like the comfort and the support. I really like this. I also like the fact that it's a permanent one. It's not removable, because it really kind of has a nice solid feel to it as well. I talked about the batteries. The battery is great on this thing. You get 250 hours of standby time after you do a full 2-hour charge. It does have an auto sleep mode, which is great for power saving after about 30 minutes of no operation. It kind of just turns off, and making sure that you kind of save it, save your battery life for when you really need it. I think that's great. Like I said, the ability to switch between our three different devices. The keys are super responsive. They feel good. The split spacebar is also really nice as well. And again, it just makes typing feel really good on a nice compact split keyboard. Again, it's only 13 inches long, which is really great. Nice size. It's a good size. It doesn't feel mini. It doesn't feel compact. It just kind of gets rid of everything that we kind of don't necessarily always need. And again, it lays your fingers out in a really easy, simple, beautiful way. Connectivity on this is great as well. So all in all, I think this is a really nice split little mini ergonomic keyboard. The last thing I want to show you guys is pairing this. So again, we want to make sure that this is on, and we will go ahead and search for a nearby device on our computer. And then just like that, I can see the Mini. So we're going to go ahead and connect it. And so now our keyboard is perfectly connected, and it makes it really easy to go ahead and switch between devices. If I had it connected to something else, I have this set up for preset 3 here. So when I hit preset 3, it automatically connects on my computer, which is great. Let me show you that, what I'm talking about. So I can see right here that it's not connected. And then right when I hit preset 3, you can see that it automatically connects. So it makes it a really simple, smooth connection. So being able to connect 3 devices with 2 Bluetooth and a dongle, the space-saving design, the comfort of this as well, all in all, like, this is a really nice ergonomic split keyboard.